You know how hard y'all whole conversation, right?
Seems suspicious.
What up, guys?
What up?
Okay.
One warning. If you ever do that to me again, I'm no, hey. This isn't, no, hey, I'm serious right now. If you ever do that, look at me.
Whoa!
I'm an RA.
Whoa,
If you ever scream and yell like that again, I'm going to document you.
For yelling.
Yes. Simply
So
enough.
you can't take a joke.
I can take a joke, but I'm not going to take it like that.
Real talk, you don't have to do that. Yeah, we like the same age. I'm not, no.
No, it doesn't matter. I'm enforcing policy. Screaming like that, it's courtesy hours, 24 hours. That's too loud, I don't care what time it is. So, if you do that again, I am documenting you. Simply enough. Cause effect. Got it?